might be thinking, well, Google Analytics is powerful, but isn't it a bit overwhelming? Well, that's where these Google Analytics plugins for WordPress step in and make your life a whole lot easier. So let's dive right into the picks. Monster Insights allows you to add Google Analytics and advanced Google Analytics tracking features to your WordPress site without editing any code or hiring a developer. Plus, it makes it super easy to find the analytics data that really matters to your business through its WordPress dashboard reports. Now, there's no need to leave your WordPress site or navigate through a lot of different Google Analytics reports to uncover insights about your visitors. It has advanced tracking features like file download tracking, affiliate link click tracking, outbound link click tracking, mail to telephone link tracking, and much more right out of the box. And if you use the Pro version, well, then you can unlock lots of powerful add-ons too. For instance, you can set up e-commerce tracking in just a couple of clicks using the e-commerce add-on to see how your online store is performing. Monster Insights seamlessly integrates with plugins like WooCommerce, MemberPress, Easy Digital Downloads, GiveWP, CookieBot, and a lot more. Monster Insights works really well with popular WordPress form plugins too, like WP Forms, Formidable Forms, Gravity Forms, Ninja Forms, and others, so you can see exactly how they're converting. And you can integrate Monster Insights with Google Search Console to see what your top 50 search terms are, how many clicks each one's getting, its average position in search results, and more. And its EU compliance add-on helps you anonymize IP addresses in Google Analytics and disable various tracking features so you can automate different processes on your site to make sure that Google Analytics complies with data protection laws like GDPR, CCPA, and PIPEDA. Plus, there are tons of other features too, like outbound link tracking. You can display popular posts and products in a widget anywhere on your website. And you can use custom dimensions to track things like popular authors, categories, and more. It has site notes too, and it integrates with all the best WordPress plugins and a lot more. If you're just getting started with Google Analytics, well, you can try the free version of Monster Insights for however long you'd like. And when you're ready for more tracking features, just grab a Monster Insights license starting at $99.50 a year. ExactMetrics is a WordPress analytics plugin that's just jam-packed with features to set up Google Analytics like a pro. No coding or hiring is needed. No more confusing jargon or complicated setups. ExactMetrics is going to show you easy-to-understand reports right inside your WordPress dashboard. You'll know exactly what's working on your site and what's not. And the best part, it takes care of all the tracking stuff in Google Analytics automatically. It's going to save you a ton of time and a lot of headaches. Now, some of the top features of ExactMetrics are going to include the ability to set up Google Analytics without coding. You're going to be able to view detailed dashboard reports. You're going to be able to track your online store with the e-commerce add-on, track 404 errors in your analytics, track events such as file downloads and external link clicks, utilize enhanced link attribution, track form conversions, and view Search Console reports. You can also get started with the free version of ExactMetrics if you like, and if you need even more features, ExactMetrics can start at $99.50 a year. Google Sitekit is a free plugin that's going to allow you to connect different Google products to your WordPress site without any fancy coding. It's great for connecting Google services, but it's limited in terms of advanced features, and it's only going to give you basic site stats. Now, with Google Sitekit, you can connect Search Console to your site, and it's going to provide a basic report about your top keywords and pages within the dashboard. It also connects Google AdSense to your site. It's going to give you a revenue report. Additionally, it's going to report on basic things like your page speed report, and it installs your Google Tag Manager on your site as well. Now, if you want to link other Google tools and services to your site, if that's what you're looking for, well, Google Sitekit is an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for more advanced tracking features, then you really need to look at one of the alternatives on our list. I think it would be a much better fit. Google Sitekit is free. The Analytify WordPress plugin, like Monster Insights, is going to pull in a bunch of Google Analytics metrics and put them around your WordPress dashboard. In the free version, you can track stuff like page views, visitors, new versus returning visitor, top pages, geographic data, and a lot more. You can also see page level stats like average time on the page, views, and the number of users. Now, if you need to track WooCommerce or Easy Digital Download stores, Analytify has some handy add-ons for that as well. Some of Analytify's other features are going to include the ability to view the Google Analytics stats on the dashboard, publish statistics on the front end, use a e-commerce add-on for WooCommerce and Easy Digital Downloads, use UTM parameters to track campaigns, and set up automated email reports. You can get started with the Analytify free version, and if you need even more features, well, you can upgrade starting at $59 a month. The Conversios Analytics plugin helps set up Google Analytics for your WooCommerce store to track important e-commerce metrics, and it also connects Google Analytics with Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, and various ad pixels to provide a comprehensive view of your ad campaign's performance and your merchandising efforts. Now, it allows you to track your WooCommerce performance without coding, plus you can connect Google Ads, Meta Pixel, TikTok Pixel, Microsoft Ads Pixel, Pinterest Pixel, and more. And you can see your basic stats like clicks, impressions, and add to cart events. Plus, you can connect your WooCommerce store with Google Merchant Center, build a dynamic audience, and a lot more. Now, this plugin's free, but you can upgrade for more features starting at $99 a year. Goal Tracker is a WordPress analytics plugin that helps users to set up event tracking in Google Analytics without any coding or developer assistance. Now, the plugin is going to provide insight into user interaction with specific website elements like clicks on specific links and the performance of call to action buttons. However, its functionality is limited to event tracking, and so it's going to lack comprehensive features and the ability to display those statistics on your WordPress dashboard, unlike any of our other plugins on this list. The Goal Tracker plugin offers several features, including easy event tracking setup, comparison of call to action button performance on a single page, and the tracking of link clicks in Google Analytics, form submissions, and YouTube and Vimeo, as well as WooCommerce tracking if you're a pro user. Now, you can get started with Goal Tracker for free, and if you need more features, the pro version starts at $49 a year. For those of you seeking a more streamlined Google Analytics connection plugin, GA Google Analytics is an excellent option. As a lightweight plugin, GA Google Analytics facilitates the seamless integration of your Google tag on your site. Its straightforward setup process involves just putting in your tag and selecting a few features. GA Google Analytics supports display advertising, enhanced link attribution, IP anonymization, Force SSL, tracker objects, and user opt-out. GA Google Analytics is free, and if you need even more features, well, you can upgrade to the Pro version for $15 a year. Now that you've reviewed our list, you should know which Google Analytics WordPress plugin to try. Now, if you want an easy option with extra tracking features, MonsterInsights is the best. It offers advanced tracking without coding. It provides valuable insights for business growth, all right on your WordPress dashboard. And with MonsterInsights, you can leverage data to increase your traffic and your revenue. But hey, we're not done yet. I've got a special treat for you. Check out this video where I show you how to add a website to Google Analytics 4.